December 2024. A group of friends and I set out on our biggest adventure yet, to hike the Abel Tasman Track, one of New Zealand's 11 great walks. Over 3 unforgettable days, we covered 42 kilometres of coastline, crossed 2 rivers, and journeyed through some of the richest golden landscapes this country has to offer. This is day 1 of our journey through Abel Tasman. Our journey begins at Marahau Car Park, where we drop off our overnight bags for the water taxi to deliver to designated pit stops. On day 1, we'll hike to Anchorage to collect our bags, then continue to Te Pukatea, where we'll camp for the night. Day 2 begins before sunrise, where we'll loop back to Anchorage to drop off our bags for the water taxi. This will be a race against time, as we'll have to cross the river at low tide in order to reach our next campsite at Onitahuti. And finally, on day 3, we'll hike to Totaranui, where a water taxi will bring us back to Marahau. Abel Tasman Coast Track. We started off annoyingly optimistic, taking group photos, strolling through the well-paved paths, admiring the beautiful coastal landscape and examining exotic flowers. But then half an hour in, I ate all 4 of my nut bars and realized that we still have to carry our overnight bags for the last half hour of our trip.
Wait, are we actually carrying that sack of bags? Oh my god, for half an hour? That is pretty. That is gorgeous. First stop for lunch. Tin Line Camp.
For lunch, we stopped at Tin Line Camp. We brought a portable camping stove with us to boil some of our carefully rationed water.
Add water stated in the label below. I got the tasty chicken mash, and this is what it looks like inside.
Once the water is boiled, we pour it into our freeze-dried packets and wait 15 minutes before eating.
Looks good enough. Yeah, and then you close the
just
sachet.
shake it, eh?
Oh no, you shake it before, now you close it and let it stand for 10-15 minutes.
Oh, yeah.
It gets hot really fast, and then there's a shell.
Oh, that's alright. That's protein, extra protein. Oh! Oh my
Is that you adding salt and
Yeah.
pepper?
Oh my god, can I just post this because it's so freaking cool.
That's so cool, man.
Shove it in there. Oh, should I put more water before? I think I need a little bit more water.
Yeah. Get the water.
Because the rice is sucking the water.
Eat it.
The protein. Oh my god.
Yummy!
Some of us are going full gourmet with chicken katsu for lunch.
Oh, that's alright. You record it.
This bird is stalking us.
Our biggest challenge was keeping these cheeky weckers away from our food. Look what we stumbled into, this magnificent waterfall. Nature's air conditioning, cool, crisp and unbelievably refreshing. Since there are no water stations along the track, this waterfall is our precious water source. Our group's Indiana Jones is bottling up the water and we'll treat it with aqua tablets at our next stop. These are the aqua tablets we are using to treat our water. You need 1 tablet for every litre of water and you wait half an hour before you can drink it.
So does it take 30 minutes to treat? What is the tablet called?
Aquatabs. And so it's 1 tablet per liter.
Per litre.
Yeah.
This is such a pretty like
1 hour and 10 minutes left.
The further we walk, the more breathtaking the view becomes. The ocean opens up to a vast expanse of blues and greens, revealing the golden beaches and deep, iconic blues of Abel Tasman. The weather is postcard perfect. There's also a lookout point just before Anchorage.
You guys are all sitting there.
Perfect for giving our sore legs a break.
We woke up at 4 o'clock to catch the flight to Nelson. And right now it's, what time is it now? Like 5 o'clock.
5:40. Let's see how it is there though. I mean, but look like the huts were all taken though. Yeah. Oh, there's a bus there? Is there a bus?
Oh my god, I love the blue ocean. Oh my god, that's like sparkling clear blue water. It is a 15-minute walk. Yes! So we have walked already 3 hours and 45 minutes because we started at Marahau. And I have officially run out of water as well. Still waters run deep. We have arrived.
We've arrived at Anchorage, but this isn't our final destination. It's where the water taxi drops off our bags. We still have to carry it all the way to our next destination to set camp at Te Pukatea.
Okay, are we gonna go now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or do you want to rest up a little? Might as well just go now and set camp. Have I got everything? Have I got everything? Yeah?
Oh my god. Shada.
Let's go! I mean, I wouldn't even carry full things on my back.
Are you okay, Monique?
Thinking. Take.
You guys have super strength. How about I hold up? Yeah.
Bags dropped off, or have you been carrying them?
Oh no, we got them dropped off at Anchorage.
We got stopped by the warden, who seemed kind of suspicious of us, so I showed her our booking confirmation for our campsite. After a long and arduous climb, we finally arrived at Te Pukatea campsite. We're setting up the tent, and yep, it fits 4 people.
So we have another clock. Like you wanted.
A tour of our massive tent.
The outside area is where we'll put our bags.
It's a nice one.
Like inside the Anchorage tent. Yeah, just kind of like.
3 minutes.
Thanks.
It was my friend's idea to bring fairy lights to glamp up our tents. The other campers thought we were a bit extra, especially when they saw us coming in with our luggage.
Where do we put it? Across? Yeah, I'm not sure. Me?
Yeah, where am I gonna like dress? Like clean myself.
In the toilets.
Close up the thing.
You're preparing dinner.
Wow.
Yeah.
Katsu curry.
These are the freeze-dried food I packed for breakfast, lunch and dinner. It's from the brand Backcountry Cuisine. They're relatively easy to pack because they lie flat in your backpack and they don't go off. Tonight I'm having spaghetti bolognese. This was definitely one of the better tasting meals of the pack, but I did get sick of eating freeze-dried food, so do pack something a little tastier for the trip. For now, it's an early night for us. I can't believe we made it to our first campsite. Tired, but so satisfied. Join me for day 2, where we wake with the sunrise and race against the tide for a river crossing you don't want to miss. Stay tuned. The next chapter of our Abel Tasman adventure is just beginning.